What's good, guys? Derrick here from DaseDesigns.com, back with another video. Let's get straight to it. Alright guys, so as you can see in today's video, we got a Skull Pharaoh mascot logo. But anyways, yeah, we're starting off in Sketchbook Pro. Some of my inspiration behind this was kind of like just dark concepts. If you guys seen some of my work, you'll notice it's kind of like this edgy, bold, like dark vibe to it. I love doing that and expressing that in like my mascot logos, usually because there's a lot of anger and aggression inside of the mascot logo. So it's a cool place to kind of channel that and put that into some art or just like a design or whatever. Yeah, so this starts off in Sketchbook Pro as always, and then I move on to Adobe Illustrator to create the actual vector design, and then Photoshop to make a cool presentation image just to showcase online, right? So yeah, a lot of the inspiration behind this came from simply a skull, and then like that combined with the Pharaoh. I really wanted it to have this kind of like edgy, dark, super evil vibe. So that's kind of why the teeth look so crazy. They're like huge. And kind of like fangs, like vampire teeth a little bit. And then right now in the sketch, I was really trying to create something really unique for like the head gown or whatever it's called that pharaohs wear. But yeah, I wanted it to be kind of detailed but super simple, or not super simple, fairly detailed while still being fairly simple. So yeah, recently I got a question on how to do this, and the easiest way to create detailed concepts that work and they're still simple is by simply trying to do so, by being conscious when you're trying that. And when you try that, you consistently try and try and try, you'll eventually get it and get easier at it. And the easiest way to figure out if to tell if something is too detailed is by zooming out until the logo is about at the inch size on your screen. So if you were to measure that with your fingers, like on your screen, if it's at an inch, and then save it, look at it a few hours later, and then when you look at it, if it's not easy for you to understand what it is, then it's probably too much details, too much mess going on. So it's time to get rid of some stuff and simplify some things, right? And then that's where it comes into play. That's how you do it, by simply trying to do that if you have that issue. If you don't, keep it moving. Like this one, I didn't really have that problem. Again, it's something I've been doing for years, just simply zooming out. When we're sketching, like you see now, I'm always zoomed in, but if you don't ever zoom out to like an inch, you'll never know if it's going to work or not. So yeah, just by simply doing that whenever you're sketching and just creating a design overall, like a logo design, that's just the easiest way to kind of go about judging that. So yeah, guys, one thing I wanted to bring up is that my logo course, hopefully that's going to be released this month. So yeah, not only are we going to be talking about or going over, how to create a mascot logo, like a custom mascot logo, whether it be for esports or sports or whatever, we're going to be going through the full process. Also how to like talk to clients with regards to get information from them, like a design brief and stuff like that. But yeah, so stuff like that. And then we're also getting into identity designs. It's dope to create a logo, but sometimes it's not enough. Like you just got to create a brand identity around it. Maybe a team needs more. They want apparel, they want a jersey, they want to see how this thing is going to look on hats, embroidered, stuff like that. So that's something I also dive very deeply. If you guys like my presentation projects on Behance, I'll be showing you guys how to create one. I'll be creating one, and then you guys can follow along. So we'll be taking the mascot logo we made, making a presentation, making apparel, making jersey designs, right? We're going to be going over jersey designs and then social media designs as well, like a Twitch package, and then also just general banners like YouTube, Twitter, and then Twitch. So yeah, anyways, that's pretty much it. Hopefully that's going to be releasing this month, guys, in the middle of this month. If not my next video, the video after that is going to be announcing that the course is released. So yeah, if you guys want to be on the lookout for that, be sure to click the bell. If you are subscribed, I heard on YouTube recently that there's been some issues, like if you're subscribed, videos still don't show up, right? So if you guys really want to stay up to date and know instantly when the course is released, be sure to click the bell. Alternatively, you can also sign up with the first link in the description, guys. So yeah, Derrick here from DaseDesigns.com. I really hope you guys enjoyed this logo concept. If you're looking forward to the course or you just enjoyed the video, be sure to leave a comment. And then lastly, guys, if you guys have any recommendations for a pre-made mascot logo design you guys would like to see me create, be sure to leave a comment and I will be sure to respond and let you guys know if that's what we're going to do in the next video. So yeah, guys, again, Derrick here from DaseDesigns.com. Take care. Peace.